So there's a pair of woodpeckers out there right now, and I have my little camera set up focused on that seed block. There's another name for them, seed cake, right below it. So hopefully you'll eventually have some really good footage of those woodpeckers. However, before I can take and edit and do all of that, I need a computer first. So, again, I am working on hopefully having even better content, clearer videos than what I'm getting from my phone and inside the house, like right now. But I do hope you will stick around and watch as hopefully things get better over time. There's a lot of birds out there right now. The woodpeckers and the chickadees and that cardinal. There have been a lot of house finches today, though I'm not sure I see any at this exact moment. Maybe when I go to move the camera, see about focusing on a different spot, I might refill some of the food, especially the house feeder and where the cardinal's at right now. See if adding a little bit more food helps get some new birds.